Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are taking a closer look at one of the most impressive and luxurious motorhomes to hit the market, the Volvo Motorhome 2026. Volvo has always been a brand associated with safety, innovation, and premium comfort. And with this new motorhome, they've taken those values and expanded them into a complete travel experience on wheels. The 2026 model isn't just another motorhome. It's a moving luxury residence designed for those who crave the freedom of travel while still enjoying the comfort and refinement of home. From the bold exterior styling to the lavish interior, advanced performance and balanced pricing, this motorhome is set to make a big mark in the RV world. Starting with the exterior, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 immediately catches attention with its Scandinavian design language that emphasizes elegance, simplicity, and strength. The front fascia is bold and modern, with Volvo's signature grille reimagined in a way that suits the scale of this motorhome. Slim LED headlights with Thor's hammer design elements stretch across the front, giving it a futuristic yet unmistakably Volvo identity. The body has been crafted with aerodynamics in mind, ensuring smoother rides and better efficiency despite its size. Large panoramic windows line the sides, not only enhancing the design but also promising a bright and open interior. Practical details like a high-mounted solar panel system, concealed storage compartments, and a smart entry door blend seamlessly with the aesthetics. Volvo has managed to create a motorhome that doesn't just look like a large box on wheels, but rather a sleek and commanding vehicle that feels luxurious, even from the outside. Step inside and you are transported into a world of Scandinavian luxury. The interior of the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is a showcase of craftsmanship, minimalism, and smart space usage. Volvo has used premium materials throughout, including sustainable leather, fine wood finishes, and soft-touch surfaces. The living area is spacious, featuring comfortable seating that can be reconfigured into beds when needed. Large windows flood the cabin with natural light, and ambient LED lighting ensures a cozy atmosphere at night. One of the highlights is the kitchen, which is designed like a compact modern apartment. It comes equipped with a smart induction cooktop, an energy-efficient refrigerator, a convection microwave, and plenty of storage. Volvo has integrated their advanced voice-controlled infotainment system into the motorhome, meaning you can adjust the climate, lighting, and entertainment hands-free, making it both convenient and futuristic. The sleeping quarters are equally impressive, with options for a full queen or king-size bed depending on the configuration. The bed features memory foam mattresses designed for long-term comfort during extended trips. The bathroom feels like something you'd find in a high-end hotel, with a spacious shower, premium fixtures, and even heated flooring in certain trims. Some versions also include a washer-dryer unit, which adds to the independence and practicality of traveling for weeks at a time. Everything inside the Volvo Motorhome 2026 has been carefully thought out to ensure travelers don't just live in a motorhome, but live in luxury. Performance is where Volvo has brought in its expertise in hybrid and electric technology. The 2026 motorhome is powered by a plug-in hybrid system that pairs a strong combustion engine with advanced electric motors. This setup allows for excellent efficiency and quiet operation, particularly when driving through cities or camping grounds that restrict noise. On highways, the combustion engine provides enough power for long-distance cruising, while the electric motors add extra torque when needed. With regenerative braking technology, the batteries recharge on the go, extending the electric range and reducing fuel costs. Volvo has also fitted the motorhome with adaptive suspension that adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're on a highway, rural road, or even light off-road trails. Safety is, as always with Volvo, one of the strongest points. The motorhome includes Volvo's latest IntelliSafe suite, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance systems, and a full 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering far less stressful. The size of the vehicle is significant, but Volvo's technology ensures drivers remain confident and secure at all times. Fuel economy is another impressive feature. Compared to traditional motorhomes that are notorious for guzzling fuel, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 offers one of the best efficiency ratings in its class thanks to its hybrid system and aerodynamic design. This means fewer stops for refueling and more uninterrupted travel, which is exactly what long-distance adventurers want. The vehicle also supports fast charging, so when you're at a charging station, you can quickly top up the batteries before hitting the road again. Now let's move to pricing. The Volvo Motorhome 2026 is positioned as a luxury motorhome, but Volvo has been mindful of offering value alongside its premium touches. The base price is expected to start around $150,000, with higher-end trims offering additional luxury and technology packages reaching up to $200,000. For what it offers in design, safety, technology, and long-term reliability, this pricing is quite competitive, especially when compared to other luxury RVs in the market. In conclusion, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is not just about getting from one place to another. It's about transforming every journey into an unforgettable experience. With its sleek Scandinavian-inspired exterior, luxury-filled interior, advanced hybrid performance, and signature Volvo safety, it's designed to appeal to travelers who want the very best.